AI generator cards. AI is one of the most exciting new tools to hit the AI software market. And if you're wondering if it's worth your time, I'm about to give you 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before jumping in. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned for this one, because these insights could change the way you create content forever. First things first, AI Generator Cards is revolutionizing how we generate creative assets. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this tool is designed to generate AI-driven images, videos, and even marketing copy at an unprecedented speed. But there's more to it than just the output. It's about how you can leverage this tool to boost productivity and efficiency. The software is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need any advanced technical knowledge to start creating. Simply input your desired parameters, and AI Generator Cards will do the heavy lifting. This simplicity means you can start producing high-quality assets right away without getting bogged down by complicated tools or processes. Now let's talk about customization. AI Generator Cards is not one-size-fits-all. It allows for a range of customization options that let you fine-tune the output to match your brand style. From the tone of marketing copy to the artistic direction of visual content, it adapts to your needs. This is key because it's not just about generating content, it's about creating content that truly fits your specific goals. One of the standout features is its speed. AI generation typically takes time, but AI Generator Cards boasts some of the fastest turnaround times in the market. Whether you're working under tight deadlines or just want to speed up your workflow, this tool can significantly reduce the time it takes to produce high-quality content. Another benefit is its integration with other marketing tools. AI Generator Cards can seamlessly connect with platforms you're likely already using, making it an even more powerful addition to your workflow. Whether you're managing a digital marketing campaign or overseeing content creation for your brand, this software can plug right into your existing systems. As for pricing, the big win here is that you can try AI Generator Cards completely free. That's right, you can test it out and see how it fits into your content creation strategy without spending a dime. This is a great opportunity to get a feel for the software and its capabilities before committing to a subscription. Lastly, I want to mention the versatility of AI Generator Cards. It's not just for marketing professionals. If you're a small business owner, blogger, or even an artist, you can use AI Generator Cards to enhance your projects and create content that stands out. The possibilities are endless, and the platform is only getting better with regular updates. I know there are a ton of AI tools out there, but after testing thousands, I can confidently say AI Generator Cards is among the best newly released AI software you should be paying attention to. If you want to give it a shot, head to the first link in the description and sign up for a free trial. It's a no-risk way to see if this tool can help elevate your content creation. I've also got a list of my top recommended AI tools down below, so be sure to check them out after you've tried AI Generator Cards. These are tools I've personally tested and stand behind, and they can make a huge difference in how you approach digital marketing and content creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.